This isn't a scam. I delivered real value to real people, and you can too. If you have got Wi-Fi and 30 minutes, you can start today. Americans are desperate for better resumes, and I found a way to sell them without writing a single word myself. I made $300 in 1 week using free AI tools and zero design skills. Let me show you exactly how I did it step by step. I searched Reddit, LinkedIn, and TikTok for people asking for resume help. Then I created a Fiverr gig, AI-optimized resumes for US job seekers, $25 per resume. Clients sent me their info. I used ChatGPT to write the resume content. Then I used Canva's free templates to format it, polished, professional, and delivered in under 30 minutes. To save time, I built a Google form to collect client info. Then I used Zapier to auto-send drafts, and I upsold LinkedIn profile optimization for an extra $15 from zero design skills to $300 in 1 week. If I can do it, so can you. Your hustle starts now. Tap subscribe and let's build your first digital side hustle together.